So in here I just put a lounge chair to lay on. I also have my stove, which is going up. Plenty of ventilation around the bottom. Also the flaps on top are open. As you can see, there's no center pole. What I did was I bought that piece there from Rough Timber. I think it was like 23, I think. I'll put a link below. But now it opened up the whole floor here for space. So I'll try to get this fired up and I'll show you how it looks. Nice and toasty in here. Been in here 20 minutes. Those are the poles I'm using, which is just some clothesline poles attached to the top bit there from Rough Timber. I'll use 3 of those. Fire's dying down now, so I'm gonna go inside and cook. But I just want to show you guys the inside. Just a quick kind of preview. And you can see I attached it to pallets, so it's a bit more stable. But yeah, happy with that. I'll test it out on properly on some grass soon.